Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I know you all missed me because I sure missed you all. Now I'm just coming here just to say hello and just enjoying nature. I just like recording out here in nature, watching the birds eat in the bird feeder, and just wanted to drop in and say, I love you all and make sure you're staying positive. I wanted to say, I'm not going to say that because it has pagan roots, but I hope everybody is enjoying their day and just wanted to, come on and just let you all know how much I love you all and to just please repent, turn from sin because it is a storm that is coming, a storm like we never seen before. And y'all know that we went over that in Matthew's chapter 24, verses 15. Okay. Although this storm that's coming is our protection, it's our Father coming to protect us from the enemy. Okay. It's not to harm you. So just make sure you have repented and turned from sin and make sure you're staying positive and just enjoy life. Enjoy life. Okay. That is all I wanted to drop in and say. I just wanted to some always in submission to the Father. I am now finished with isolation and then fasting and praying and stuff like that. So yeah, here come the birds. They coming to eat again. This one, he's been back so many times. He's such an aggressive bird and he shoos away all the other little timid birds. I'm gonna have to shoot him away because he eating up all the food. Okay, let me see if he gonna come down there and eat the food. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? I told y'all. He's coming back, keep coming back. And then he bully all the little cute little birds, the little red robins and the blue jays. I'm just watching him. I say, you is a bully. You are nothing but a bully, eating all the food. I'm gonna shoo him away. But that's all I wanted to say, y'all. And I love you all. And have a beautiful rest of your day. All right? Okay. Talk to y'all later. Shalom.